Hey, it's me, Mark Tinderholt, the Azure Terraformer here. I just got done with a pretty lengthy live stream this evening where I've been working on data collection rules and setting up Azure Monitor Agent on a Linux virtual machine. And I was able to get it working. I unfortunately uncovered a bug in the Azure RM Terraform provider, which I'll put the link in the description below. My solution involves a combination of the Azure RM provider and the Azure AZ API provider to implement the data collection rule, which does have a resource, but is missing a critical attribute in order to get the VM Insights performance counter to load the data as it should. So if you missed the live stream, go check it out. It is a bit of a marathon, but there's a lot of fun. You can always jump ahead and check out where I run into things, or just leave it running, and see how things go in the as background noise. But I think it is pretty insightful in terms of how to overcome issues and rough edges within the Terraform providers, and how to leverage the Azure RM provider, the Azure AZ API provider, and the Azure portal and ARM templates in order to be productive using Terraform on Azure. I think these are just general troubleshooting guides, in terms of how to overcome issues as you encounter them when you're working with Terraform, whether you're on Azure, AWS, or GCP. So go check out the live stream, links in the description below, and let me know what you think. That's it for me. This is the Azure Terraformer, signing off.